This is what we call a star delta connection. In a star delta connection, we have a main contactor. This one is a delta contactor. That one is a star contactor. That one is a timer. And then we're using a counting timer, universal counter timer, because we don't have a provision of the other one, of digital one. Then we have a sensor. We shall use something like a method which a sensor can sense to make a universal counter to count. So we switch on from the breaker. The timer comes on. And then we push a start button. See, now the machine is running in star connection. That run helps to reduce the amount of current drawn by the machine. Then when the counter starts counting to the seconds you have put, the machine starts running into delta connection. So the universal counter is now counting. You see, we are using the provision of our sensor. I set it up to 20. See, now the machine is running in delta connection. In delta connection. It can run up to the time, up to when the operator, the owner, wants to stop it. Reaching the time, then you can stop. You reset the timer. If you want to start it again, it will start in star. You can see the control. I'm controlling my machine in star delta connection. Then my timer will start counting. Now it is running in delta. That is how we connect star delta connection. You can see the control circuit. So when you go to the power circuit, power will come, three phase will come, and it goes to the delta. From delta it comes, it goes to the star. Then you loop them, you connect them in the star, comes to the motor. Then here you put a overload, it comes to the motor. Our machine is now running in star delta connection, which helps to reduce the current drawn by the motor. It is so efficient, so nice, good and interesting. You can stop. You reset the timer. If you want to start again, you can start. It is now running in star. It is running in star. Then our timer will start counting. It goes to the delta, but our main contact remains intact. The machine can now run. you can view our control circuit. That is our control circuit. This is a main contactor, auxiliary supplying a timer. It's a main contactor, our star contactor, our delta contactor. Thank you. Be blessed. Subscribe, like and follow.